Hi, Steve Gale here. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate accessing a virtual machine that's been pre-created using Oracle VirtualBox from a different computer. So I've created a virtual machine, which is a Windows Server 19 virtual machine, and it's located on an SSD. Here you can see where the VDI file is located. It's in this file system here, and that's my VDI file, which looks like it's about 10 gig in size. So what I'm going to do is I've got Oracle VirtualBox running here, which is the current version. So I'm going to create a new virtual machine, and I'm going to give it the same name as the file here. So I'm going to call it 2022 CS Server 19, and I'm going to call this Microsoft Windows and Windows 719 64-bit. And for my machine folder, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the machine folder to another drive. So I'm going to change this to the E drive. And I'm going to navigate to that VM. So I'm going to go to 2022 VMs, Server 19, and 22 CS Server 19. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make another folder, and I'm going to call this new folder and Server 19 PC, and select that folder. So now I'm going to go to next, and I'm going to set this to 4 gig of RAM, and I'm going to go next. And instead of the create a virtual hard disk now, I'm going to say use an existing virtual hard disk. So I'm going to select that, and I'm going to go and navigate to the location of a virtual machine. So I'm going to go and find the virtual machine. So I'm going to have to add a disk image, and I'm going to go back to here, VMs, and I'm going to go and navigate to my existing VDI file, this is my existing VDI file here. And I'm going to select that, and I'm going to choose this one here. And so I'm going to use this existing VDI file, and I'm going to go create. And you can see here that it's ready to go. So just go and check my settings. So here's my settings here. So you can see it's 22 CS Server 19. System, I'm using 4 gig of RAM. And for storage, I've got my location is E22 on the E drive, but its location is the existing VDI file that I've already created. So I'm not creating a new VDI file. I'm just using an existing VDI file. And for networking, currently it's just set to NAT. So I'm going to press start. And when I start this up, what it will do is it'll start the existing VDI file, and it'll run up the existing Windows server that I have created. So I'll just let that start up now. Okay, so you can see my server's fired up. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to Input, Keyboard, Insert Control-Alt-Delete, and then I should be able to sign in my administrator account. And looks like it's letting me in. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to confirm that I've got internet access. So I'll just go and find the command prompt. Here we go. It's a bit slow to start. Command prompt's already on the desktop or pinned to the taskbar. So I'll just run up the command prompt. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to ping Google DNS and just verify that I've got internet connectivity. Yep, and you can see there that I'm getting a ping reply. It's a little bit slow because this machine isn't quite as fast, but yeah, and we've got internet connectivity on our VM.